Well, we've been working in the centre of London for 15 years. When this opportunity came up, the Royal College of Pathologists in Aldgate, we knew it would be a great location, a great design and a great opportunity for Keenwood to show off our skills.
We needed a team of joinery specialists who really took joy in the craft, that could meet the standards that required and worked with the other elements within the building.
We had our initial meeting on site with Gilbert Ash design team, ourselves and Bennetts Associates. Hannah Fothergill was the architect and the lead designer. We got the vision that they wanted with all the walnut design and intricate details through the project. And the walnut gave a sort of a 5-star luxury feel, that rich finish. Hannah had the vision of what she wanted, the lines, the designs, the finish, the minute detail. And then we had to put in our practical knowledge and our craftsmanship into how we could make this really happen on site.
At the technical design stage, Gilbert Ash brought them to the table, and we quickly realised that we were going to be able to have the open, constructive dialogue that was needed. Keenwood were willing to work with us to achieve the design vision that we had.
The fin wall at the front of the building was the main visual impact when you walked into the building.
It defines the lobby space where you enter from the street, and it also forms the structural support to the ceremonial staircase.
The details were completely unique and bespoke. We came up with a final design that we all approved that would work. Very fortunate to have a fantastic team of lads on site.
It needed the expertise from Keenwood in order to deliver and achieve that design. One of the key spaces for the college is their members' library area, and we wanted to reflect an element of the college's past in a contemporary way.
Hannah had some design features on the bookshelf, and we had some ideas on the traditional way to build. On the door itself, we had a perimeter margin around the doors and around the edges of the cabinets. We went for a traditional through mortise and tenon joint on the door to give it the strength and stability to carry the glass. We incorporated a modern day hinge solution so we could attain the detail around the perimeter of the doors that Hannah wanted in this design.
So our design intent was to achieve a 3.9 metre high door that was 2.4 metres wide, which is no mean feat, especially when you brought into consideration all of the acoustic performances that we were having to achieve on those doors as well. One of the other details on those doors was the handle itself. Keenwood achieved these beautiful 2 metre long bespoke profiled handle that kind of complete that moment of walking into the heart of the building. We wanted to achieve a secret hidden door into the back of house post room behind, which Keenwood were really helpful in terms of detailing that and actually achieving it.
And this was a little bit challenging, but we come up with the design and the right ironmongery to give the visual impact that we wanted in the background of the reception desk and have a practically functioning door.
And the reception desk itself needed to be robust enough, but have that appearance of elegance and refined design that we've got throughout the building. A real highlight point within the whole design process to achieve the joinery design vision that we'd had was on the entrance fins and achieving all of those different elements coming together. And Seamus and I sat down and really had to put our thinking caps on as to how to achieve that. We wanted to make it look effortless, when actually there was a lot of effort going in. What we've achieved and the solution that we came to, I think, has achieved something that's really outstanding and unique.
Seamus and his team from Keenwood came in, tendered the project, and then looked at the design intent, understood the design, and then sat with us and the architect and worked through that design, overcame a lot of problems until they arrived on site with a first-class product with great craftsmen who then delivered on time and on budget.
The joinery really finishes the building. It takes the excellent concrete structure and makes it into a sort of a really good space. We have very high standards in the college, and we wanted to maintain them from the previous building into the current building, and the joinery really does that and finishes it off. It's superb quality, very well built, very well installed, and we hope it'll be here for many years to come.
It was great to be part of the team with Bennetts Associates, Hannah and the Gilbert Ash design team, to be part of this flagship project right in the centre of London. A building that we'll be proud to bring people to in the future and show it off when we get the opportunity.